Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create another account in Phantom Wallet. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Chrome for desktop and I have installed the extension for Phantom Wallet. I have it pinned up in the top right hand corner, and here we can go ahead and click on the icon. Once that opens up, what we're looking for is up at the top left hand corner of this screen. You'll see this icon here. We're going to go ahead and select that. You'll get a submenu and then you'll see the plus sign here. We're going to go ahead and click the plus sign. And then here you can see that you can create a new account. We can go ahead and click on that there. And you can see we have account number 2. Let's go ahead and hit create on that. And that's all there is to it. We have successfully created another account in Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.